Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the difference between cerebrum and cerebellum. These are some distinguishing characters between them. Cerebrum is a part of forebrain while cerebellum is a part of hindbrain. It is the largest part of our brain, okay, and spread over a large region of the skull. Almost 80% place is occupied by this cerebrum, while cerebellum is a comparatively small and located behind the pons and medulla oblongata. It is divided into four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. In each hemisphere, we have two hemispheres, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. So in each hemisphere, there are four lobes. That means total 8 lobes. It does not have such kind of lobes. So what is the function? This is crucial. What kind of function each part of this brain play? It controls intelligence, thought, and memory of human beings, while cerebellum maintain equilibrium and posture. So these are some of the differences. Please let me know what kind of video you would like to see in the future, and please like and subscribe to this channel. That will be very helpful for this video. Thank you so much.